Hello, welcome to Intellify. I'm Srijana and today I'm going to explain question number 5 of chapter 7 Rise in Popular Movements of Part B Political Science Class 12. The question says the anti-Arab movement in Andhra Pradesh drew the attention of the country to some serious issues. What were the issues? So Arak is basically the low-cost liquor or alcohol that is generally consumed by the poor people. The anti-Arab movement started as a very spontaneous movement in the village of Dubagunta in Andhra Pradesh. So the anti-Arab movement was the movement of the rural women in Andhra Pradesh to protest against alcoholism, mafias and the government. The women decided to take a stand against those who sold the liquor, the local bureaucracy, the political officials and the chief minister. The movement saw articulation of the issue of family violence in the public forum for the first time. The movement had its roots in the adult literacy drive, where women complained of increased consumption of locally brewed alcohol arak by men in their families to affect on rural economy also. So the National Literacy Commission, the NLC, was launched in the Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh, which conducted mass literacy campaigns that made the women realize that they all had a common problem back at home, that was alcoholism of the men of the house. So women in Nellore came together in spontaneous local initiatives to protest against the Arab and force the closure of the wine shop. The women wanted answer as to why the village did not have the basic amenities of life like schools, drinking water, proper wages, but it had a regular Arab supply of alcohol. So this movement spread slowly all over the state. So the issues relating to this movements are the anti-Arab movement aimed at the prohibition of the sale of Arab or the low-cost alcohol. Secondly, the demand touched upon larger section of social, economic and political issues which had established a close nexus between crime and politics. So the family violence, poor economic state of the families due to spending of maximum income in alcohol by the men. These were the kind of issues that also domestic violence, sexual abuse, these kind of issues were brought up by the women. Thirdly, women openly discussed the issues of domestic violence like dowry and sexual violence. And fourth, the anti-Arab movement helped the women to come out of their household and speak up against the different form of abuse that they were going through back at home. So it provided them a platform to discuss the private issues of the domestic violence that they were going through. Hope this helped. Thank you.